found.
Foden, lovely ball, De Bruyne, and there he is again, Erling Haaland. Show him a goal, show him a net, he'll put the ball in it. Pounces again, the poacher supreme, and City are one up, and again, Haaland's working onto that left foot. There's the shot, and there's the goal, 2-0, Manchester City. A counter-attack, and Foden's composure was something to behold there. Could be another chance here. Haaland, he's going to score again, you know. 2 for him, 3 for Manchester City. And the goal machine remains in full working order.
He's just brilliant.
Total control, and they have been most of the way. Cancelo, and there is the goal. Ruben Dias, he doesn't get many. Strikes to make it 4-0 to Manchester City, and it has been that emphatic.
Und hinten Reus, Marco Reus! Abgefälscht! Bellingham dran! Dortmund führt! Minute 56 im Etihad!
Stones for Manchester City. Oh, yes! What a goal! It's an absolute wonder strike from John Stones. Where on earth did he find that from? Manchester City 1, Borussia Dortmund. German team at all. What a ball that is by Cancelo! By Haaland! Wonderful! Sometimes you cannot believe your eyes. What a pass! What a finish! What a moment here at the Etihad! Haaland against his old club after a brilliant ball by Cancelo.
It's Cancelo. And Haaland! Inevitable. Relentless. He is a walking talk. Head of Haaland's, and here on the volley, and Haaland's there again. My word. Well, that one's a tap-in, but still he's in the right place at the right time. Juara beaten on this occasion, and City lead 2-0.
He was
Grealish, and hit it early, and Haaland's there. Well, turned in. Gomez with the shot. City lead by 3-0. Haaland won't be claiming that one. Lovely penalty. And he marks his 200th Manchester City appearance with a goal. And it's 4-0 to Manchester City. On and finds Mahrez. And Alvarez! His first Champions League goal. A lovely Manchester City move to make it.
changes the angle, and that's a really good save by Juara. Vital touch, from the goalkeeper.
I'm with you.
The shot comes in from Rodri. What a goal! Absolutely outstanding strike from Rodri. Well, they tend to score early. They tend to score over the corner. It's taken by Riyad Mahrez towards Laporte and Akanji. Boylerson got it away. Juara. And Juara saves it. Outstanding save by the Copenhagen goalkeeper.
Yeah, brilliant by him.
Another good run. Adeyemi running in behind Cancelo, teeing up with Coco. Should have scored. Should have scored. Best chance of the night, and he knows it.
I don't know whether he was offside. Let me have a look. Well, he's onside, wasn't he, John Stones?
Coming in, didn't get there. Mahrez, though, will. Down he goes, penalty. Very, very clumsy from Emre Can.
Easy, wasn't it? What is Emre Can doing? What is he doing?
And cheers all around the stadium. And Mahrez denied by the goalkeeper. Excellent save. Acrobatically springing to his right and tipping it away. Great time to bring it down. Alvarez with a snapshot. Foden following up. Kobel quickly over there for Dortmund. Nice and sharp that front.
Y Rakitic, vamos a ver el servicio disco hacia el segundo palo, Rafa Mir, el primero, acaba de marcar Rafa Mir que adelanta al Sevilla en el minuto 31, lo había buscado ya en el partido a lo largo de esta primera parte y está siendo el jugador más difícil de defender por parte de la defensa del City, el centro hacia el segundo palo, el cabezazo de Rafa Mir,
Alvarez, oh, good ball. Oh, what a finish! And what a story! On his first start, Rico Lewis is mobbed by his teammates. What a popular goal scorer. Looks at that, says it's not how I play football. Oh, that's a good ball, and City are in here. Oh, what a finish too, squeezed it in. Alvarez on the score sheet, but that's the man who made it. Straight into the thick of the action, creating another assist for him, and Alvarez got Mahrez to his right. This is Mahrez, and that's three. Unselfish play to set up Riyad Mahrez, and he did the rest.
He certainly did.
To Mahrez. Mahrez through. Mahrez scores. Manchester City have been utterly dominant from the first few kicks of the ball tonight. Und jetzt Guardiola! Das ist der Ausgleich! Völlig verdient!
Swung in by Grealish and headed down, wonderful opportunity. Akanji had an opportunity, nearly dropped for him again, and Haaland. No mistake again. Haaland strikes, Manchester City lead. You sort of
motion, it's a natural position.
Here's De Bruyne trying to add to his screen off the underside of the bar, and it's 2-0. It's Haaland again. 2 in 2 minutes for him, and Manchester City surely on. Curled in, and does it cross the line? It has now. Haaland may have a hat-trick there if that hadn't already crossed the line. City won't care who it gets credited to.
Grealish back to the captain Gundogan. Gundogan with space to shoot, and it's 4. And that all came from Ederson sweeping the ball out, first time out to the right wing, under pressure.
Out of the starting lineup, they're coming on. Bernardo Silva with a header. Haaland! And then Akanji and Haaland again! He's got 4 now! And he's equalled Manchester City's all-time seasonal scoring record. Number 38. He's gone a long way. Somehow the goalkeeper saved it. He's got 5! Haaland again! He's gone now! This is incredible! It's the Erling Haaland show, and he's not stopped yet.
Wow, leave him on, he could go.
And they are going to withdraw. Erling Haaland.
With a glut of goals this evening.
A richly deserved ovation. Fancy that. Scoring 5 goals.
De Bruyne. He deserves a goal. And De Bruyne has got a goal.
Wow.
He's been magnificent. And he's made it a magnificent 7 for Manchester City. He made it look so easy, just like he makes most things on the football field look so... Rodri turns away from Musiala and puts the hammer down. Oh, what a goal! Top corner, top quality from Rodri. Every time he gets the ball, 30 to Grealish, and here's Haaland, and there's Bernardo Silva! A Silva goal, a solid goal for Manchester City. One mistake, that's all it took. One moment of switch off from Deo Upamecano and Pep. That was Stones, here is Haaland! He was always going to score tonight. Here's De Bruyne. Haaland. Upamecano is on his backside, and Haaland is through, and he's not going to miss another chance. No way, no how. Manchester City are just about there. That's the goal that takes it once and for all away from any Bayern.
Joshua Kimmich gegen Ederson. Minute 83, die Bayern haben den Ausgleich. Der Blick auf die Uhr, Applaus von den Bossen.
Lo va a hacer por el exterior, juega para Vinicius, la deja correr, oportunidad de golpeo.
Sabe ir del contrario, creen que solo sabe desbordar, también golea. Vinicius Junior acaba de abrir la semifinal con un zapatazo descomunal. One with the turn, and he's not allowed to turn again. De Bruyne strike! Oh, that's wonderful! He got all of that! Kevin De Bruyne sends City's fans into delirium. It's level at the Bernabeu.
And they're toying with them. Bernardo Silva again! Yellow free for one! Elation from Guardiola! Explosion from the supporters! Wonderful finish from Bernardo Silva!
City.
Gundogan stepping in! There's the chance! Oh, it's two! It's two! And it's Bernardo Silva again! Manchester City can see Istanbul appearing on the horizon, and Liverpool. Free kick taken by De Bruyne. It's got in. Don't goal is it? Or did Akanji get the last touch?
As a matter of Fletch, 3-0.
As Julian Lescott says, it doesn't matter because that must be the moment to take Manchester City to Istanbul. Eder Militao couldn't keep it out. Manchester City get a third goal on the night. Foden. On it goes to Alvarez! Manchester City are heading to it. And the gap between these two teams is... Whips it in! So close to an opener.
I mean, brilliant by Bernardo Silva, but what on earth is DeMarco doing?
To De Bruyne, off goes Haaland. Good play from Manchester City. Erling Haaland, good save on Wahana. Now Grealish. The best move we've seen so far from City. Rodri. Jack Rodri. Quickly on him was Brozovic. Kanji's going to leave it. Martinez is in. Trouble here for Manchester City. Good save by Ederson. Complete breakdown in communication between goalkeeper and defender, and they almost paid the price.
Oh, didn't they just?
Kanji for City. That's a lovely little ball in. Bernardo Silva. Tight angle, pulls it back. Coming onto it now to shoot. Score! Rodri! Manchester City lead in the Champions League final. And that's a huge, huge goal for Rodri. And the Manchester City supporters have gone absolutely mad. Such a big goal, such a big moment. And Manchester City take a giant... Lukaku's in there, DiMarco there as well. Oh, it's in the bar. DiMarco hits Lukaku, I think. Still not clear, it will be now.
He does it, Lukaku.
How on earth did they not equalise Inter? An astonishing passage of play. Here's Phil Foden on the move. Phil Foden saved. Well, that's a vital save for Onana, but what middle? Brozovic flicks it in. Gerson's coming in, gets it. Oh, what a save!
Save goal!
What a save!
Oh, my.
That's an unbelievable save from Ederson. An amazing moment for the Manchester City goalkeeper. Has that moment just secured the Champions League?
I don't even know he knew he saved it. I think it just bounced off his leg.
I don't even know what happened there.
I think it was Lukaku with a header.
And İlkay Gündoğan raises this famous old trophy high. Manchester City, the European champions, history-making treble winners. They've reached the promised land. What a night, what a season. Congratulations.